Hey everybody, it's Mark, and my window on the slider behind me feels like it's stripped. Now, I've not used it very often. These are CR Laurence windows. Kind of puzzled because I know I didn't put a lot of pressure on it, but anyway, I've had to remove some of the framing around the window, and I had to remove the screen. This little piece pops in here, and so I'm going to go ahead and dig at the gearbox and see if I can't make an improvement. Right now the window, it just spins. You can see that's tight and that's not working. It does open, but may not even do that today. Yeah, now it's opening. So it seems like it's working one way but not the other, and that's concerning. That's what I'm going to be working on today. To get this undone, based on a video top right of your screen, there's a rivet that needs to be taken out, and under here there's a nut right there that will be taken out. And then I've got to take a look at this spring, because the spring is an important factor here. I got to look at how it's actually in there, and then I got to figure out, I may need a new gearbox. So I've removed that nut. The next thing I have to do is take that rivet out. Also, the spring has to be loosened, and I can't break the glass, so I'm gonna have to take my time with that. I went ahead and drilled the rivet out. There it is. I've undone the nut, and I was able to release the spring tension off this arm, and so far so good. Now I got to remove this bolt, and then hopefully the whole mechanism slides out. We shall see. So here's the gearbox. I don't know, it looks a little loose to me. I don't think it ever worked. Well, I took it apart, took a look at it, put it back together, and I am guessing that I've got to get another gearbox for the window. At least it is closed, and I've done my homework. To be continued.